Good morning, everyone. So today I'm just gonna do a late brunch for us, and I'm gonna be making some coffee, some little bit of breakfast, and I thought I'd bring you along and show you how I'm doing it. Using some of my canned bacon, my canned up potatoes, and for my jam, some cranberry sauce that turned into jam. And yeah, let me bring you in a little closer and show you how I did this. So in my quick shake, I have 4 eggs. I'm going to add 1 extra. And I'm going to put it in my measuring cup, so in case it's I get shell in it or whatever, it's easier to get out. Okay, in here I've got some dehydrated red and green peppers. Or you can get it from Thrive or from Walmart.com. You get a good price on them. I'm going to use my mini quick chef. I got a medium small onion. And I get the garlic that's pre-done. Alright. Lid on that. See how nice and fine that chops that up? I just love that. And that's also going to go in my quick shake. Add a little, I don't have milk, so I'm going to add a little bit of coffee creamer to it, which is fine. A little bit of cracked fresh bell or pepper. A little bit of sea salt. A smidge of olive oil. Your topper in there. Sure to make it tight. Let it seal down and then shake it up. And that's going to make nice fluffy either omelet or scrambled eggs, whatever you choose to make with it. Okay, I'm going to let that set aside. A little bit of my bacon that I canned up, bacon ends and pieces. That's in our Jarred Up January videos. I hope you guys are all watching it. There's a video every day this month of January between the 6 of us. And let me tell you, they're wonderful videos. That's what the bacon looks like. As soon as my pan is heated up, I'm going to add that in there. It smells amazing. Alright, here is the potatoes that that's my last video in Jarred Up January that I used my WEC canning jars in. To open that, you pull this down, it breaks the seal, and it opens it right up. And they smell amazing. I'm going to drain those off. And then I'm going to have fried potatoes. In my potatoes, I do like a little bit of onion. So I'm going to cut up the rest of that onion. You don't have to cut it smaller. I like to, just because I like to do that. Alright. Seal it. I want it chunky, so I'm not going to mush the heck out of it. Maybe one more. So that's all going in there. Okay, I think the pan's heated up enough. Let's add some of this bacon in there. I'm just going to put the whole jar in there. I've had a lot of questions on, do I use the bacon? Well, of course I do. And can you fry it up and brown it? Yep, you sure can. So I'm just going to let these brown. They're nice and tender, and it smells amazing. I want some cheese for the top of my eggs. So I have my Fusion. I use the shredded part. Real easy. You take it, you slide this on. That there. Use your handle. And then you're going to screw it on to tighten it up. Then you tighten it up to the counter, which that's from the counter, not the... I don't need a whole lot, so I'm going to put the cheese in here. Push the lid on it. I got enough cheese for top up eggs and add in the potatoes. The onion. Smells amazing already. Add a little bit of pepper. I like to add a little bit of parsley flakes in with it. A little bit of butter thrown in there. Bump that right down a little. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. My butter is all nice and bubbly. I shook this up really good. Pop that lid. Pour that in that nice hot pan. And work with it for a minute. Add some pepper. A little bit more pepper, a little bit more salt, seasoning salt. You can let it go like that and just make a nice big omelet. I like to fluff it up a little. I gotta have my egg cooked all the way. I don't like a runny egg. Our spatulas got that heat resistant on it, so it's not going to burn by using this. Just keep stirring it and moving it. Put a shine there. I don't like that. All right. Now let's add some of our cheese in there on the top. There we go. Put the lid on it and let it cook. I'm going to shut the heat off and just let it sit there and heat up with the cheese like that. We'll get ready to plate. My husband's plate. potatoes with bacon. Cheese browned up nice, or melted nice, not browned up. Nice. Bunch of egg. Whoa. Don't flop it around like I just did. Just like so. Like that. You want to make it look pretty. I'm going to add a tomato on his plate. And he don't like pickled cauliflower, so I do. I won't put that on there. And that's what we're having for breakfast brunch. Get his coffee all set up for him, and he'll have his breakfast brunch ready for him. And he's in there waiting for it. I want to remind you again, don't forget to check out all the collaboration that we've got going on with hashtag Jarred Up January with Lisa from Sutton Stays, Heather from the Needy Homesteader, Paul from the Paul's Rule of Thumb, Tina from Wilhelm's Kitchen, Mandy from More to Life, and myself. Every day this month we have a canning video. You don't want to miss out on it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.